this is David Brandon, founder and managing lawyer here at Resolute Legal. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the type of benefits you can get with a workers' compensation claim in New Brunswick. We'll go through the types of benefits so you'll have an idea of the range of things you could get if you have a valid claim and you're applying through WorkSafe in New Brunswick. Now, if you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us your comments because we love to get those comments and we will reply to you. What are the types of things you can get if you have a workers' compensation claim? It's important to know that workers' compensation is different for each province, so make sure you're getting advice on the province you're in. And it's also important to know that these benefits are different than other types of insurance benefits that you might get. Workers' compensation is very comprehensive and pays very good benefits in all provinces. So the types of things you can get through workers' comp, there's income type benefits, there's medical type benefits, and then the last type is a disability type payment. That is not really an income replacement, but it's a payment you get for the fact that you've been left with a permanent disability. So number one, income replacement benefits. There are loss of earnings benefits through workers' compensation short term that are paid out while you're during a rehabilitation period. Then after your rehabilitation period, if they deem that you've been left with permanent or partial disability, there are longer term payments that can go, and these payments can go up to age 65. They can cover up to a maximum of 85% of your pre-disability income, or some portion thereof if they deem that you're able to work part-time. They'll do a top-up, this kind of thing. Either way, it's great benefits if you can get them. They will increase them at inflation. So these are fantastic benefits, quite frankly. They are up to 85%. They can be reduced if you're receiving disability benefits from other sources. So you'll just have to look at that. But ultimately, you'll be guaranteed income up to 85% of what you were earning before, which is great. Okay, so there's the short and long term of that, and you just have to let that work its way out as you go through the rehabilitation. So the other type of benefit are the medical benefits. This is unique. Most other disability plans do not have medical expense type benefits, not necessarily tied directly to the disability plan per se. With anything related to your workplace injury or workplace illness, you can get these medical expenses. It covers travel to appointments, any treatment costs, rehabilitation, medications, devices, you name it. If it's reasonably related to the treatment you're getting or things that you need that are caused by your injury, then workers' compensation will basically cover them. All right. That can even include home modifications. It includes a wide range of things. So that is the second thing that's available under workers' compensation. So sometimes maybe you don't lose time from work, but you have ongoing medical expenses related to your injury. You can expect this to be paid out, that these things will be covered. The last one is called a permanent impairment payment. This is something that's common with all workers' comp programs in Canada, and there's different formulas for how they work it out. But essentially, once the rehabilitation period is over, they will do an assessment to see if you have been left with any permanent impairment or disability. It's really, they frame it in terms of impairment, but any permanent problems. Have you been left with some physical or mental limitations in your ability to function that are impacting your life? If you have and they're work related, they will do an assessment, come up with these percentages that are based on the assessment, and you will be paid a one-time lump sum payment. It's not a big payment. It's not a huge payment, but you will get a payment and they will assess it, and you will get that out as a one-time payment to acknowledge the fact that you've been left with this permanent disability. So there you have it. Those are the three types of benefits you can get for workers' compensation in New Brunswick. You should apply for benefits, and once you do, they will investigate to see what benefits you qualify for. If you disagree with any decision on any of these benefits, you can certainly appeal it, and you can get in touch with us or another law firm to talk about what your options are. There's also free assistance in New Brunswick through the Workers Advisors Program, the Workers Advocates Program, and they will also give advice on some of these things. So there's lots of help out there to help workers understand their rights here. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put your comments down below. I do look forward to seeing you back here next time. Take care.